Hi, my fellow investors. This is Andres, and I've just completed my 27th week of investing in M1 Finance. And earlier this week, I deposited $200 and I minimized my portfolio again. I sold 4 stocks before the week started. I can tell you right now that minimizing my stocks may have helped me not lose that much money this week. I'm going to tell you what 4 stocks that I sold this week as I go through my pie. And for you guys who are new to my channel, welcome to my dividend investing portfolio called the Moneymaker. My pie consists of 90% stocks, 5% real estates, and 5% bonds. Aside from the stocks that I sold, I also changed my percentages. My stocks used to be 85%. Now I've made it to 90%. My real estate used to be 10%. I reduced it to 5%. And my bonds, of course, it's always going to be 5% unless something major happens. But okay, let's go to my stocks, which consists 90% of my pie. Let's change this to week. Let's see how we did this week. Let's go to my technology, which consists 20% of my stocks slice. Nvidia, I lost $4.99, which is down 1.22%. Microsoft, wow, I actually won. I gained $1.80, which is up 0.51%. Skyworks, I lost $3.19, which is down 1.25%. Overall, as you guys can see, technology is not that bad because I still won from Microsoft. All right, for this week, my technology slice lost $6.38, which is down 0.63%. I did not earn any dividends. So I'm gonna tell you guys right now, you'll see a lot of red because overall this week was just a really bad week for us. The market was just red pretty much maybe 4 days out of 5 days. Alright, so you guys know, we'll save the no dividend for last. So we'll go to my industrial, which is 12% of my stock slice. Before I start, for my industrial, I sold General Dynamics. So I was debating between General Dynamics and Waste Management. I kept Waste Management because waste is not going anywhere. And for General Dynamics, I mean, I already got Lockheed Martin and Honeywell International, which pretty much do the same thing. So I decided to stick with Waste Management instead of General Dynamics. So all right, for this week, my industrial, Lockheed Martin, I lost $7.88, which is down 4.22%. Caterpillar, I lost $5.56, which is down 3.67%. 3M, I lost $5.14, which is down 3.41%. Honeywell, I lost $7.41, which is down 4.92%. Waste Management, the one that I decided to keep, I gained $1.13, which is up 1.02%. My industrial this week, I lost $27, which is down 3.59%, and I did not earn any dividends. All right, let's go to my consumer defensive, which is now 5% of my stocks slice. This used to be 12%, but I decided to reduce it just because consumer defensive hasn't really been performing that well since I started my M1 Finance. All right, Pepsi, I lost $4.33, which is down 1.79%. Procter & Gamble, I lost $7.52, which is down 3.10%. Costco, I lost $2.35, which is down 1.11%. For my consumer defensive this week, I lost $14.20, which is 2.04% return. I did not earn any dividends. So this one is still not a bad loss despite this week. Now let's go to my consumer cyclical, which is 13% of my stocks slice. For my consumer cyclical, I sold Lowe's just because, like I said, I'm just minimizing this so that my money can go a long way. I decided among the three that Lowe's has to go. For my Home Depot this week, I lost $9.21, which is down 2.51%. McDonald's, I lost $10.91, which is down 3.59%. For my consumer cyclical this week, I lost $20.60, which is down 3.07%. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my healthcare, which is 8% of my stocks slice. Johnson & Johnson, I lost $13.07, which is down 4.18%. United Health Group, I lost $3.19, which is down 1.49%. So healthcare for this week, I lost $16.26, which is down 3.09%. And I did not earn any dividends. Whew. All this red, man, all this red. All right, let's go to my finance, which is 10% of my stocks slice. Or for my finance stacks, I sold my Goldman Sachs. I can say that there's really no point of sticking with bank that much because they're getting hit pretty hard at this time. And I feel like Goldman Sachs has the least growth among my finance stocks that I have here in my M1 Finance. All right, for this week, Visa, I lost $3.85, which is down 1.87%. Speaking of finance stocks, if I have to hold only one bank stocks, this would be it, Visa, because I can still see them growing and innovating, so I can see their value will still go up. JP Morgan, I lost $8.39, which is down 5.29%. American Express, I lost $11.42, which is down 7.10%. For my finance this week, I lost $22.18, which is down 4.23%. I did not earn any dividends. Alright, now let's go to my energy slash utilities, which is 7% of my stocks slice. Chevron, I lost $5.83, which is down 4.59%. Magellan's Midstream, I lost $9.08, which is down 7.10%. Nextra Energy, I lost $2.77, which is down 2.57%. For my energy utilities stocks, I lost $17.68, which is down 4.87%, and I did not earn any dividends. Alright, let's go to communication, which is 5% of my stocks slice. Verizon, I lost $7.57, which is down 5.25%. NetEase Incorporation, I gained $6.98. Wow, this is like one of the biggest gain I have this week. It's up 6.01%. Well, good thing I kept NetEase Incorporation, because this is like the only communication stock that's lifting this slice so far. For my communication, I only lost 59 cents, which is down 0.23%. I did not earn any dividends. So communication did pretty well this week. It didn't lose as much compared to the rest of my slices. Now that we're done with my dividend paying stocks from my stocks slice, now let's go to my no dividend, which is 20% of my stocks slice. Or for my no dividends this week, Tesla, I lost $7.93, which is down 3.96%. This is like one of the rare week that you see Tesla lost. Amazon, I gained $1.10, which is up 0.57%. Shopify, I gained $4.18, which is up 3.29%. Google, I lost $5.05, which is down 4.35%. Illumina, I lost $2.31, which is down 2.34%. Dexcom, I lost $6.41, which is down 6.38%. Netflix, I lost $2.29, which is down 2.36%. Facebook, I lost $9.54, which is down 9.57%. So you guys can see I only have two winning stocks from my no dividends, which are Shopify and Amazon. I can say my no dividend stocks is still performing well this week. This week, my no dividend, I lost $28.25, which is down 2.74%. Not too bad, not too bad. So as you guys can see, for my stocks slice this week, they're all red. I mean, it is expected because this week was just horrible. This illness is still going up, and some of the states are closing their businesses. So that's one of the reasons why. And also, Europe and Canada pretty much banned US from flying to their countries. So a lot of discounts are expected. But I at least had three stocks that won this week. The NetEase Incorporation, Shopify, and Amazon, which is still a good win. So the biggest loss from my stock slice is my energy utilities, which is 4.87%. My 4.87% as your biggest loss for the stocks is not that bad. Alright, for this week, my stocks lost $153.14, which is down 2.62%. Like I said, if I did not minimize my position, I could have probably lost more than 2.62%. So I'm still thankful for minimizing, and I believe this is the reason why I did not lose this much from my stocks. Now let's go to my real estate. It used to consist 10% of my pie, but since I sold one stock from real estate, I changed it from 10% to 5%. Let's go to my real estate. Before I start, for my real estate, as you guys can see, I only have two stocks now. That's because I sold my public storage stocks. I sold it because I'm not really trying to keep it, and I can see the American Tower and Digital Realty Trust are like the only two REITs that I wanna stick with for a long term. Alright, for this week, my American Tower, I lost a whopping $32.47, which is down 6.65%. Wow, this is probably my biggest loss for this week. $32 is a lot for one stock, and 6.65% is pretty much. Digital Realty Trust, I gained $1.36, which is 0.43%. A win is a win, even if it's only $1.36. As you guys can see, my real estate, I lost $31.01, which is down 3.84%. My loss in real estate is actually more than my stocks. None of my slices lost more than 5%, so it's still a good week. Alright, now let's go to my last slice of my pie, which is bond. It consists 5% of my pie. As you guys know, for my bond, I only own the Vanguard Total Bond Market, which is performing well so far. But of course, it's expected for the bonds to really gain this week anyways because the stocks went down. So bonds, it has a tendency to do the opposite thing. Okay, for my Vanguard Total Bond Market, this week, it gained $1.08, which is 0.22%. So yeah, this is my only winner for this week. Overall for this week, even though it was a horrible week for investing, I don't think my portfolio performed that bad because none of these slices lost more than 4%. So I still consider this a win despite of the horrible week. And like I said, minimizing my stocks might have helped it not lose that much. I only have 31 holdings right now, but it may go lower. But we'll see. I'll still have to decide which stocks to sell because I'm really working on minimizing my stocks to further maximize my gains. For this week, my moneymaker lost $183.07, which is down 2.56%. I did not earn any dividends this week. So as you guys can see, my loss this week, despite the horrible week, it's still under 3%. So I still consider this a win. So that's it for this week. I'll see you guys again. And of course, don't forget to invest and increase your wealth. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.